Hello students, welcome once again. Today I am going to teach you three basic hip hop moves. One is called Brooklyn or Arrow, or also known as Funky Chicken. Second is called Top Wop, and third one is called Lock It Down. So here we go. Our first step is called Arrow or Brooklyn, or also known as funky chicken, right? So what we have to do, just open your leg, then come back. Once again, 5 6 7 go 1, and body will be twist. So 5 6 7 go 1, come back, and same thing we will do opposite side. So 2 and come back. Yeah, so 5 6 7 go 1 and 2 and, right? Hands will be going like stretching my hand and pulling up my chest, then come back and opposite side. So step will be look like 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, yeah, okay. Next step is called top up, right? So hand movement like 1 and 2 and, yeah. So 5 6 7 go forward, back, up, back. Once again, 5 6 7 go 1 and 2 and, okay. Leg movement will be 1 and 2 and, yeah. Same thing we'll do with left leg. 1, drop, switch and come back. 5 6 7 go up, drop, switch out and then come back. Up, drop, switch out, come back. Yeah. So make all together. So 5 6 7 go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, yeah. Next one is called, this is very famous step, so this is called lock it down. Yeah, so just kick with your right leg, kick in together, so like crisscross. So 1 and cross. My left leg will be going behind the right leg. Okay, so 5 6 7 go like 1 2 3 4. Same thing I will do opposite side. Once again, 5 6 7 go, kick with right leg, then switch and just taking my left leg up and down. Now once again, 5 6 7 go right, then left, taking up and down. Same thing we will do opposite side. So step will be look like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Hands movement will be like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So just bring it like this. So 5 6 7 go 1 2, yeah. 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4